Coming back from the server, we want to actually render that data, and what we could do is this set state. We want this search as the array that we want to set as part of the state. So let's do that. So this console over here, instead of console logging it, what we can do is just copy and paste this dot state and just put it in here. This that set state, and the movies is what would be the results dot search, because search is the array that contains all the movies, right? So let's paste that, and notice that we have all the movies that came back from that query. Make sense? Right. So we were able to render all of those movies. We can be a little more creative here, and instead of rendering just the LI, we can maybe render the image for that movie. I think it's called poster as the URL to that image, so we can say IMG and have the source of the movie be equal to movie.poster. Close that, and there it is. So we have images, we have the title. Maybe we should make the image a little smaller. You can say that the height is equal to maybe 50 pixels. There, so it's a little smaller. So it could be like some thumbnail to give you some notion of what it is that it represents. Yes? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah, so that would be a design decision that you can go either way, right? So it could be the browser making these calls, or it could be a server, either Node.js or a Java server, making these calls to a remote server. It depends on how secure, or if there's some compromise of some information, either a secure token. For instance, here I'm sharing the API key back and forth, right? Anybody listening between my browser and you could steal that API key and start using my API key. So in that case, right, we're much more secure to do all these HTTP requests from the server, and I could encrypt it, I can do all sorts of things, and be much more secure. Also, the API key would not be publicly available from the browser. So here, anybody who would be using my API could do what I'm doing here, right? I can inspect, I could look at the network, right, and see that indeed I'm including that API key in all my queries, right? I look at the headers and I see, oh, he's using this API key and can steal my API key, right? But if this were on the server, then yeah, that would not happen, right? In this course, we're not. It's okay to do it this way. We're not going to get into security issues or anything like that.